Hey everyone, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wreath for winter. Let's get on with the video. You want to start off by tying the end of a piece of yarn into a knot on a foam wreath form. And make sure you leave some extra yarn left over because you're going to need it for later. Once you're done making the knot, you want to wrap the yarn around the wreath until you fill the whole wreath form up with yarn. When you're done wrapping the yarn, you want to cut the yarn you are wrapping with. Then you want to tie the yarn you are wrapping with to the first knot you created, and then you can trim it. Now you're ready to decorate your wreath, and you can start by pulling or cutting off fake flowers and leaves from their stems. Then you can lay out how you want everything to look on the wreath, and if the leaves are connected together, you can cut them into separate leaves and put them under the flowers. You can also trim the stems from the flowers a little bit, so to lay how you want on the wreath. When you're ready to start putting the wreath together, you want to glue the flowers on first by putting hot glue on the back of a flower, and then you can put it where you want on the wreath. Once you're done with the flowers, you can glue the leaves under the flowers by putting glue on the back of the leaves, and then you can put the leaves under the flowers. When you like how your wreath is looking so far, you want to take a deer ornament and cut the ribbon off of it. Then you want to put hot glue on the hooves of the deer and place the deer behind the middle of the flowers and on the middle of the wreath. Once the deer is in the right place, you want to tie a piece of yarn into a loop on the top of the wreath, so you can hang it later. And then you can trim the extra yarn from the knot, but make sure you don't cut it too short. Then if you want, you can glue the knot from the loop on the back of the wreath so you won't see it, or you can hide it by gluing it down under a bow. The last thing you can do is that you can make a bow out of ribbon, and then you can glue it over the loop you just created. When you're done gluing on the bow, you can glue on a bell on the middle of the bow. That's how you make this winter wreath. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this wreath, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!